Let's double check the STX, STX USDT trading pair with my custom marker set. Because I'm just adjust the FIB from this top of April 71, because I think this was the real end of cycle, not November or December 2021. Even if we hit the new high, the main point by volume, it was the spring, a total every year, total hype. It was the spring 2021. The shape listed on the Binance, so here we use the FIB, custom FIB, what I use for investment. This was the top. This is the main support. Let's adjust here. This one, bounce, weak, and collapse down inside 27 block. Here, let's hide that trade on. This block, basically, it's accumulation zone. This one, it's accumulation for long run. Long run, I mean, yes, this token can hit the new all-time high. I don't know when, but it's possible. The main key point is, of course, the BTC dominance, the liquidity inflow into altcoins, but the 100% tokens in circular supply. So 1.82 billion tokens in circular supply, market cap FDV equal 473 million. So $1, it's around 2 billion market cap. So around here, it can be like 8 billion market capitalization at the top. And yes, it can be the end of cycle global one for this token. So this is my take, Of course, congrats everybody who accumulated here inside this accumulation zone. Now we are again inside the same accumulation zone what we've been here in December 2022, January 2023. So if you dream about accumulation of STX, you can accumulate now. It's my point, It doesn't mean it's correct or I know the future. No, it's just basic analysis of the FIB. Let's double check, guys, with indicator set. And I would like to show you the targets. So here was a sell, drop. This was a China ban, the money. This was just basically top of the top, bluff of top BTC, double top on a BTC. We dump it. Here's a buy back, sell in April. Crash it down. Now we're inside accumulation zone. So the zone is 37.20, 18.30. Can we drop lower? Yes, of course. Pretty simple. Buy gaps. This one, of course, some tiny gap are going to be here, 55 cents. After, if you want to buy now, 25 cents. After 50 cents, just withdraw initial deposit. So it will be not a mistake. After that, this one, gap will be like a magnet. So 0.23 by FIB, $1.24. So just pretty simple. This is like main trouble area. After that, of course, we have to pay attention more about a timing. Weekly time frame. Sell confirmation was in April. Drop, take profit from sell. So it's really important because it's a weekly time frame. Take profit. So it means we need to close all our short position, and switch to the bullish mode. Now we saw the signal to buy, like confirmation. Can we drop lower? Of course we can, like we saw the take profit. So here, the copy paste model, like take profit, buy, bounce. But after summer 2022, this is November 2022, after the half year, not a half year, like 4 months, basically 5 months, we formed a new low, but it was the FTX collapse. Now, I don't see at the current moment some triggers for crash for another black swan. Black swan, I guess, was here and here. So I don't remember exactly what happened here in May, but of course it was a Donald Trump dump. So now I don't think so. We could drop lower, but it's possible. This is basically also the order flow on a weekly time frame. So at least we will get a bounce to 60 cents to close the 50% of this order flow. After that, we slowly but surely going higher, I guess. So based on trade on, you see the data. Let's hide the trade on. Let's hide the FIB. And let's double check the ADZ direction. This is accumulation. This is accumulation zone now on ADZ, and we never seen on the full history since this token exists October 19, and since ADZ start count the data from February 2020, the last 5-6 years, we never seen the biggest accumulation of STX. It's a good one. Here was a time to sell on direction. Now it's accumulation again. Last time accumulation being here, if spring 25, we bounced up from 53 to $1, so like 100%. Now with the same accumulation, but this is the biggest accumulation ever on a weekly time frame. I guess it's bullish. It's bullish, definitely. Take a look at the dashboard, guys. I highly recommend you use this dashboard, so it's all in one place, right? So you can adjust the time frames and track it all in one place on your screen and save this space on your screen. Markets mood, guys, weekly time frame, total capitulation disbelief, monthly time frame. We never seen the capitulation zone on a monthly, but here only since October, we 3 months in capitulation zone. We never seen on a full history this one. So technically it's bullish. Of course it's bullish. So let's double check on a daily. I guess it's also bullish. Yes, it's disbelief, capitulation. Nobody care about it. I guess it's not only about STX. Now a lot of tokens in the same conditions. Take a look at the money power. Daily money in was December 18. Weekly money inflow 1, 2, 3 weeks. It was the end of November, beginning of December, money inflow. Now nothing, but we at the bottom. And the monthly, we are 1-2 months in row money in. Last time 1, 2, 3, 4 months we traded here September 2022 till December 2022. After that, you know what's happening. So we bounced it from 22 cents to 384. So now the same story. 2 months in a row, money in. And the last indicator is take profit, monthly, no data, weekly. We so underrated. This absolutely looks like copy-paste model. So here, undefined value, undefined value. What's happened next? We bounce to take profit, consolidation, new all-time high. So now it can be absolutely the same story. When, I don't know, but it can be, or this move by end of May, for example, 2026, and we reject and crash it down into the bear market, or we bounce it, for example, January, February, and hit the new high, for example, or new, even all-time high, spring or autumn 2026. So it's hard to say, right? But definitely, guys, believe it or not, one day we're going to retest the take profit line again, $1.58 at current moment, like here, test till penny, and exit line $1.78. Let's add alert to take profit line, this one. So let's track it. Now it's more than okay, I guess. Time to buy STX. If you like to trade as my customer, because I will show in this video, write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Montego channel. See you next time, guys.